Hi, I'm Amalie with Systematic Excellence Consulting, and I'm going to go over a ClickUp User Manual and how to get the information from within ClickUp. So inside of your account, if you click on the little question mark here, this will bring you to a window that gives you access to different places to get your questions answered. You can contact them directly through support. You can use their docs, their videos. You can sign up for webinars. They have some that are scheduled and some that are live. You can schedule a demo. If you click on the docs and FAQs, it will bring you to the tutorials and docs here. And then you'll be able to search for what you're looking for to get the answers that you need or for what you're trying to set up inside of ClickUp. And we'll share this link and the Getting Started guide that ClickUp provides. We'll also include that in the show notes. This just walks you through the basics, a lot of what I've been going over inside or on the videos that I've been doing. This is just the ClickUp's version of it, of the Getting Started guide. So we'll include that there as part of a resource for the user manual. Again, my name is Amalie. I'm with Systematic Excellence Consulting, and if you're looking for additional support, there's a link in the show notes where you can book a free call so we can have a discussion and see if there's a way for us to support you in getting your projects into ClickUp, making sure you're using it most effectively, and make sure you subscribe to catch our future videos. Thank you for watching.